Hey everyone, welcome to Bryan's Guessing Game Quiz. Today, I'll give you 5 clues about me. You guess, who am I? All right, clue number 1. I am very useful. You use me almost every day. Clue number 3. I am sharp. Not very sharp, but a little sharp. I can be dangerous. Clue number 3. Usually, I am made from metal, but sometimes I'm made from plastic. Clue number 4. You can meet me at breakfast. You can meet me at lunch. You can meet me at dinner. You can meet me any time of the day. And finally, clue number 5. My best friend is a knife. You got it? Okay, I'll give you 5 seconds to think. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Do you know who I am? I'm a fork and knife. You use me all the time. Thanks for playing, and we'll see you again next time. Bye-bye.